Welcome back to Bike Hub, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a motorcycle that's about to shake up the world of dual sport and adventure riding, the brand new 2026 Honda CRF 750. Honda has always been a dominant force when it comes to reliability, performance, and versatility. From the iconic CRF 450R motocross machines to the Africa Twin adventure bike, Honda has set the gold standard. But now, the CRF 750 enters the stage as a perfect middleweight contender, blending hardcore off-road DNA with real-world practicality. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know: design, engine performance, suspension, electronics, comfort, and why the CRF 750 is possibly Honda's smartest move in years. Stick around until the end, because this might just be the bike you've been waiting for. The birth of the CRF 750. To understand the CRF 750, we need to look at Honda's strategy. The adventure and dual sport category has exploded in recent years. Riders want one machine that can dominate dirt trails while still being comfortable on highways. For years, Honda fans had to choose between the lightweight CRF 450L, which was great off-road but limited for long travel, or the Africa Twin 1100, which was amazing for touring but heavy on technical trails. Enter the CRF 750. Positioned perfectly in the middle, this bike is Honda's answer to the growing demand for a lightweight yet powerful dual-sport machine that can do it all. Design and styling. The first thing that hits you about the CRF 750 is its aggressive styling. Inspired by Honda's Dakar rally machines, the bike features sharp lines, slim bodywork, and a purposeful stance. The bike's LED headlight cluster is vertically stacked, giving it a rally raid look. The tall windscreen and handguards make it clear this bike is built for adventure, while the narrow midsection ensures rider control during technical off-road riding. Honda has also focused on practicality. Side panels are easy to remove for maintenance, the skid plate is reinforced, and the seat is designed for long-distance comfort while still allowing free movement for aggressive trail riding. It's not flashy, it's purposeful. And that's exactly what riders want. Engine performance. At the core of the 2026 Honda CRF 750 is a 749cc parallel twin engine, derived from the platform that also powers the Transalp 750 but tuned specifically for dual sport performance. This engine pumps out around 75 horsepower and 70 Nm of torque, giving the perfect balance of power for both dirt and asphalt. Unlike high-revving motocross engines, this one focuses on linear power delivery, meaning you get usable torque low in the rev range, a must for climbing rocky trails or cruising comfortably at highway speeds. Honda engineers also worked hard on cooling and durability. With improved airflow, reinforced crankcases, and optimized gearing, the CRF 750 is ready for the toughest environments. Whether you're blasting sand dunes or carrying luggage across continents, this engine is built to last. Transmission and ride modes. The CRF 750 comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, offering precise and smooth shifts. But here's the big news: Honda has also included an optional DCT dual-clutch transmission for riders who want a more relaxed, clutch-free experience. Add to that a slipper clutch, and you've got seamless downshifts with reduced wheel hop. The bike also features multiple ride modes. Off-road mode prioritizes traction control for loose surfaces. Touring mode optimizes power for highway efficiency. Sport mode unlocks maximum throttle response. Custom mode lets riders fine-tune abs, traction, and power delivery. This flexibility makes the CRF 750 stand out as not just an off-road bike, but a machine for every situation. Suspension and handling. When it comes to suspension, Honda didn't cut corners. The CRF 750 gets a long travel Showa USD front fork, fully adjustable for compression and rebound. At the rear, a ProLink monoshock ensures stability over rough terrain. Ground clearance sits at around 270 mm, with a tall seat height of about 880 mm, giving serious off-road capability while still manageable for average riders. The bike rides on a 21-inch front wheel and 18-inch rear, wrapped in dual-purpose tires. This setup screams off-road heritage, and it's exactly what seasoned riders demand. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, deep ruts, or smooth tarmac, the CRF 750 feels planted and confidence-inspiring. Braking and safety features. Stopping power is handled by dual front discs with radial calipers and a single rear disc. But it's not just about hardware. The CRF 750 is packed with cornering ABS, off-road ABS that can be switched off for the rear, and traction control systems tailored for dirt conditions. Honda also integrates hill start assist, preventing rollbacks on steep inclines. Add in engine braking control, and the bike offers both safety and precision for aggressive riding. Electronics and rider aids. The 2026 Honda CRF 750 comes fully loaded with modern rider technology. A full-color 7-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Turn-by-turn navigation and Bluetooth headset integration. USB-C charging port for devices. LED lighting all around for maximum visibility. For adventurers, Honda also included an optional rally navigation tower accessory, making the CRF 750 a true desert explorer. Comfort and ergonomics. Adventure bikes aren't just about power, they're about comfort over long distances. Honda designed the CRF 750 with a slim yet padded seat, a natural upright riding position, and adjustable handlebars. The windscreen is adjustable, providing wind protection for highway stints without obstructing visibility in the dirt. Passenger comfort hasn't been forgotten either, with a wider rear seat and grab rails. Optional luggage racks, panniers, and top boxes make this bike tour-ready right out of the showroom. Fuel efficiency and range. Equipped with a 20-liter fuel tank, the CRF 750 offers a real-world range of around 400 kilometers depending on riding conditions. This makes it practical for long adventures without frequent fuel stops. Combined with Honda's legendary fuel injection system and economy tuning, this bike balances performance with efficiency, a key factor for global riders. Who is this bike for? The CRF 750 is designed for a wide range of riders. Adventure travelers who want reliability and comfort. Dual sport enthusiasts who crave true off-road ability. Beginner to intermediate riders who find the Africa Twin intimidating but want more than a CRF 450L. Everyday commuters who want one bike for city, highway, and weekend trails. This versatility is why the CRF 750 is poised to be a game changer. Comparison with competitors. No bike exists in a vacuum, so let's compare. Yamaha Tenere 700. A proven machine, but the CRF 750 offers more electronics and optional DCT. KTM 790 Adventure. More aggressive but also pricier and less beginner-friendly. Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. A solid touring option, but the CRF 750 edges ahead off-road. In short, Honda's CRF 750 lands right in the sweet spot, balancing performance, technology, and price. Price and availability. Honda hasn't released exact pricing yet, but industry insiders expect the base model to start around $11,000 to $12,000, with the DCT version slightly higher. Accessories like panniers, rally kits, and suspension upgrades will push the price further, but Honda is clearly aiming for affordability compared to European rivals. The bike is expected to launch globally by mid-2026, hitting markets in Asia, Europe, and North America almost simultaneously. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda CRF 750 isn't just another motorcycle, it's Honda's declaration that the middleweight adventure class is the future. By combining rally DNA, modern electronics, real-world reliability, and an accessible price point, Honda has built a bike that could easily dominate both dirt trails and highways. For riders who always wanted a do-it-all machine without the compromises of smaller or heavier models, the CRF 750 is shaping up to be the answer. If Honda delivers what they've promised, the CRF 750 may very well become the new standard for adventure motorcycles in the coming decade. Outro. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Honda CRF 750. What do you think? Will this be your next bike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a discussion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.